When your air conditioning stops cooling and you need more than the regular monthly maintenance, hire an experienced and professional HVAC company. A well-trained technician can, will, and does find and fix your air conditioning issues, and it will save you money. However, not all HVAC companies have a thorough knowledge of all of the HVAC systems currently in use here in North Texas. Incompetent service technicians forego proper diagnosis and perform only minimal or temporary measurements or solutions. Choosing the right HVAC contractor may just be the most important and difficult task in buying a new central air conditioning unit. Be sure to check each contractor's online Google reviews. If you're replacing your central air conditioner, tell your contractor what you liked best and what you liked least about your old system. If your old system failed, ask the contractor to find out why. The best time to fix your existing problems is when the new system's being installed. When designing your new air conditioning system, the contractor should perform 3 very basic steps. Number 1, use a computer program or written calculation formula to determine the correct size of the new air conditioner. Number 2, provide a written contract. List the main points of the installation that includes the results of the cooling load calculation. And number 3, give you a written warranty on equipment and workmanship. If something goes wrong in the near future, it should cost you nothing. Avoid making your decisions solely on the basis of price. The quality of equipment and professionalism of installation should be your highest priorities because quality will determine energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. You can trust the Air Repair Pros because they're EPA certified and they've been servicing the North Dallas, Texas area for almost 40 years. So pick up your cell phone right now and call the pros, the Air Repair Pros. You'll be really glad that you did. I promise.